Go, begin. Spark. Go. Quadrants. After this, open mats ko na bala sa ano. Yeah, sige, wag ka, don't disengage, Miss Marge. Nagasama ko kami yung technique, sige. Nice, Miss Marge. Wider base. Sige lang, tuloy mo, wag mo bibitawan. Pag hindi gumana double leg, mag-transition ka ng single, Miss Marge. Pag di gumana double, yes, kailangan niya ma-utilize yung transition na, yan, bangga, nice. Side mount, high mount, upak. Yes, give yourself 20 seconds to recover. Hayaan mo na do as much damage ni Miss Marge. High mount, Miss Marge, para ma-utilize mo yung angle. Dali mo yung batok niya sa corner. Kumbaga si Khabib. Yan, para pag high mount ka, pag tinulak mo yung baba niya at nag-posture up ka, with feelings ang ground and pound. Hey, alright. Good. Okay. Takas again dyan, Miss Marge. High mount yan. Baba mo yung batok. Nakakaintindi naman ng Tagalog yan si Ethan eh. Ni English na si ano. Good, Ethan. Pusig lang natin. Nice, Ethan. Yun, bawi ka naman, Vince. High mount. Okay na situation. Tatakasan mo yung Ethan. Go, high mount, Miss Marge. Posture up. Nasa loob ka ng guard. Tingala, wag mo iwanan yung base mo. Load ka, wag mo iwanan yung base mo nakababa. Madali kang umikot yan. Tulak mo yung baba, pumosture up ka. Yan, okay. Upak sa katawan. Good. Marunong ka tumakas ng guard. Kontrolin mo yung bewang. Labas mo yung kamay sa legs. Tanggalin mo yung kamay mo sa ano niya. Hawakan mo yung bewang. Kailangan mailusot mo yung kamay sa legs niya. Kasi baka kumuha ng guard si Chris. Okay yun. Okay lang. Good. Dismount, Miss Marge. Yeah, bring his base down. Kapit sa batok. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Bridge to the side. Ingatan nyo yung batok ni Miss Marge. Nice, Miss Marge. Okay, Miss Marge. Posture up. Tulak mo yung bewang. Papalayo sa'yo. Lumuhod ka na maayos. Yan. Okay. Now you have space. Dalawang kamay. Langoy sa butas. 1, 2. Yan. Sige. Langoy. Pasok dalawang kamay. Get out. Side mount. Pass to a side. Yes, ma'am. Your turn. That's your basic passing of the guard. Paplansyahin pa natin yon. But nonetheless, you are equipped. So, side mount. Relax ka dyan, Miss Marge. Pwede umupak. Bago umattempt na submission. Yung proper side, bewang hanggang kilikili. Tapos sitting pretty na lang. Basta kayo dyan mga ese. Okay dyan? What's up? Finish, Miss Marge. Marunong ka umarmbar dyan. Dahan-dahan. Yes. Finish it. Yes, knees together. Sige, make sure na may thumbs up mo. Huwag mo itigil. Ayusin mo yung paa mo, lagay mo sa bewang niya. Good, dahan-dahan, thumbs up. Bridge the hips. Hyperextend. Yan. Knees together. Balik. Naka-thumbs up ba? Thumbs up, Miss Marge. Yun. Kaya yan, Miss Marge. Nice, Ivan. Kasi gusto ni TJP yan eh. That's what he wants. Right? That's what TJP wants. Last 30 seconds. Ivan, dali mo yung batok niya sa corner. 30 seconds. Push away, Miss Marge. Basta finish strong ha. Di tayo titigil within the last 20 seconds na lang. 20 seconds. Drive. Okay, bangga. Base, hatak. Hey! Go, Miss Marge. Drive to the corner, Miss Marge. Drive. Yan. Transition ng bewang, ng tenga sa bewang. Pull. Hey! 10 seconds. Time!